The National Stock Exchange of India offers a variety of courses aimed at enhancing your knowledge in finance and capital markets. One of the key offerings is the Certification in Financial Markets, known as NCFM. This program covers essential topics like capital markets, derivatives, and investment analysis. The NSE Knowledge Hub provides digital learning experiences, collaborating with top universities and experts. Courses available include AI in finance, data analytics, and risk management strategies. For those looking for advanced studies, there are postgraduate programs focused on finance careers. NSE also runs free investor awareness programs to educate retail investors on the stock market. The NSE Academy provides industry-relevant certifications in financial modeling and equity research. Popular certifications include Certified Financial Planner and Certificate in Equity Research. Global collaborations with institutions like CFA Institute enhance the credibility of NSE courses. The NSE also offers short-term workshops focused on practical strategies in trading and options. Benefits include industry recognition, career advancement, and a comprehensive curriculum designed by experts.